Next property. So far we have discussed 4 properties here. So first one, starting from electric lines of forces are starting from positive and end towards negative. Second property is what, ma'am? Perpendicular to these electric lines of forces are perpendicular to the charge carrying conductor. These are conductors, charge carrying conductors. If you take cell phone, to the cell phone the tower is there. This is a cell phone. To the cell phone, all the electric lines of force are passing perpendicular, like this. You understood, students? So all these electric lines of force are passing perpendicular like this. Okay, next, perpendicular to the charge carrying conductor. Next one, if you take these electric field lines may never intersect like this. They never intersect like this. It won't happen like this. Be careful. Okay, right? So they never intersect. We have discussed this. Next one, tangent drawn to the electric lines of forces. ELOF means electric line of forces, gives direction of electric field at that point. Direction of electric field at that point. If you draw a tangent here at this point, it will give what, ma? It will give direction of that particular point. At this point, electric field, in what direction electric field is there, it will give. Yes or no? Electric field region, in what direction the electric field is there, it will give. So by drawing the tangent, we can know the electric field direction. Yes or no? Next one, I. So what is I here? Intensity is maximum when it is maximum, when it is minimum. We have to know that. When it is maximum and when it is minimum. Intensity. What do you know about intensity? Intensity means what, ma? Gathering of electric lines of forces. Gathering of electric lines of forces. Suppose, ma, here, if you see here at near to this charges, all the electric field lines of force are gathering. What ma? If we bring the charges like this, so that the electric field lines of forces are maximum. That means what, ma? If this electric lines of forces, when they are maximum, when they are closer, they are maximum. When they are minimum, when they are moving far away, so that, or if you take a small region like this, if you take at this region, the maximum electric lines of forces are present. If you take at this point, the electric field lines are minimum. The electric field lines are minimum. Okay, right? If you take at this point, the electric field lines are minimum. At this point, electric field lines are maximum. Why? Because intensity, when the intensity of electric lines of forces are maximum, when they are closer. The intensity of electric lines of forces are minimum when they are loosely packed. Okay, right? This is very, very important. If the electric lines of force are closely packed, then the maximum intensity of electric lines of force will take place. Closely packed. Here there are more number of electric lines of force are present. Near, the electric field lines of force are maximum. At this point, the electric field lines are loosely packed, so that intensity is less. At this point, at this region, minimum intensity of electric field lines of forces. At this region, when they are closely packed, then the maximum electric lines of force are present. So that we can discuss now that intensity is maximum when they are closely packed. When they are closely packed. Okay, right? Intensity is minimum when they are loosely packed. This is very, very important. Okay, right? Understood, student? If we take here at this nearer point, they are closely packed, so that the intensity is electric lines of force are maximum. If you take here only 2, in this region, there are only 2 electric lines of forces are there. Okay, right? If you take here, the electric lines of force are only 1. If you take here only 1, why? Because the intensity is going to be decreased. Okay, right? Understood, student? Next one, third one. They contract longitudinally. They contract longitudinally. What is this topic? Say contract longitudinally means